handle all the SIP calls, call flows, what is the IMS, what is the IMS call flow, what is the architecture, how to doing a troubleshooting, how to work on Wireshark, Linux, Kubernetes, Dockers, everything you know. Because we are not framing anyone, you are choose like wrong path and wrong institutions. We are doing our best. So I'm going to technical part and I briefly explain about ROTF. If you go to LinkedIn and if you go to Insta, Facebook, you can easily find out what we are doing. Okay, fine. So this is front page, our documentation. ROTech solution, globally IT telecom leading institution. Okay, what is SIP? Let me explain what is SIP. You guys, you are using a mobile, right? Mobile, laptop, using a mail, Gmail, Google Drive, and every electronic device is connected over the internet protocol. Without internet, we can't doing anything. Is that possible? Without internet, you can send any media, you can send any file over the world, like Australia, USA, anywhere. Is that possible? If you're not having any internet connection, please let me know. Is that possible?
No, no.
Definitely not. So if you want to call some your like some colleague is stand on or living on US or any places, if you are going to call in packet core, is that very costly, right? If you are going to take help from internet, you can easily call without any doing pay any charges. If you are using WhatsApp now, you can easily call, like sending a file, video call, voice call, and everything you can handle easily. So today my agenda is what we are going to learn and what we are going to discuss. First, what is the IMS SIP? SIP is stand for the Session Initiation Protocol, and how SIP is work, and what is the SIP components, what is the IMS IP multimedia subsystems, what is IMS architecture, what is packet core, and how to SIP and IMS work together. And real world applications, we are also learning benefits, challenges, and what is the conclusion. And we are also, you guys are providing everyone before here, what is the Linux? You know, what is the Linux? Linux is very popular OS, yeah. Not a OS, it is a kernel. You heard before?
Yeah.
Okay, if you
Yes, sir.
not here, if you not here before, no any issue, because at that time Linux is very popular kernel. Our cell, we can everyone say like OS only. So very popular. Every most of the corporate company and defense, aeronautics, NASA, DRDO, everyone using a Linux. Why we are using Linux? Because it's a very flexible, a highly secureable. It is using a CLI. This interface is showing a GUI. Everyone knows graphical user interface. If you can see, if you can easily see their folder, path, and everything. But in CLI mode, you first you go to the command. If you want to see any directory, go to the CD and directory name. You can easily find out. Okay, that is the major thing. Let me go to the next slide. Okay, here you can see what is SIP. SIP is stand for SIP is a signaling protocol designed to create, modify, and terminate multimedia session over the internet protocol. It means what? Suppose you are calling some guy. Suppose I am calling to you over the Teams, over the WhatsApp, and first when I am putting your number. When I am just put there, enter, yeah, put your call to you. It will go first to this network. Network is there are various types. Either that is a IMS, either is a VoIP network, either is the packet core. There are a different network. But all the network is working on internet, over the internet protocol. There are we are showing here three equipment. First one is the IP landline number. Second one is your laptop. Third one is your mobile. It is a VoIP client applications, right? If you are going to router now, then easily you can get the IP address, and if you want to call somewhere, you can easily call. It is work on over the HTTP and HTTPS protocol. If you know what is HTTP and HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol security. S means security means what? If you are creating any web, if you are creating any application, you made a two type of different. Like first one is the public, second one is the private. If you set your credential in public, then everyone can easily find out your profile, what you are putting there, code, anything. If you are put it there, everyone can easily understand. Yeah, easily can see. But you are put there private, so is that not possible to access anyone to your account or whatever you put it there. The SIP is nothing but SIP is a handling to create, modify or terminate your multimedia session over the internet protocol. For example, कि आप कुछ भी send करते हो, even if you are sending a text, if you are sending a messages, if you are sending the file, if you are sending a video, if you are sending a voice, anything, if you are sending from one destination to another destination, it is going over the internet. VoIP is stand for the voice over IP network, right? You guys are understood now what I am trying to say?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, I know that this is the new protocol to you, so you will take a time, but please just believe yourself. After 3 months, you will like a highly experienced guy. And what is the SIP and how to doing a troubleshooting and everything. Okay, I'm moving to next slide. Just I am just brushing your mind. See what is SIP and what is the IMS protocol. We are learning step by step. We are taking 3 months. Why? It is not possible to. I'm explaining all the things in within hours. So I am just brushing your mind what we are doing, what we will doing. Okay, that is a SIP call. This is the SIP call process. Suppose that there are two persons there. First one is like Alice, second one is like Bob. We can say also party A and party B. Suppose party A, give me a second, I'm sharing my screen. It is visible, right?
Yes.
See, this is party A and second one is the party B. If you are sending any request or any invite to the party B, suppose I'm party A wants to call to party B, say he simply dial the number and call over the internet to the party B. Request automatically will go to the party B, but here is our SIP network. SIP server. Right? Call will go passes away from SIP server. Then what will they do here? What will they do? Is exchange your request to party B. Same request, nothing will change here, but request will passes away from a SIP server. This is for invite request. This is also called invite request. Once the request has land in party B, it will send 180 ringgit. See, let me explain one more thing. Before 180 ringing, how we know that our request is land to party B? Then SIP server know na कि your request is land to the party B. Then once the request is land party B successfully, SIP server automatically send to the 100 try to the party A. And once the 100 trying request will receive, we know कि our request land to the party B, right? 100 trying means what? It is acknowledged your request is successfully land to the party B. And after party B sending a 180 ringing, it means ki you know that ki our call is land to party B and party B's phone get ringing. And once the phone B is ringing, it will also send 200 okay. What is 200 okay? This is a stack point in SIP language. There are multiple stack point. We will discuss later in our class and lab. What is 1xs, 2xs, 3xs, 4xs, 5xs, and 6xs? What is the response code? So there are 200 is nothing but it is a response code. 180 ringing is also response code. It is a nothing but it is a alerting messages. 180 ringing means it is alerting messages. So once the 180 ringing has received from party A, it will also receive 200 okay from party B. Don't worry, I'll also showing a lab see how to work it. Don't worry, it is a theoretical part. I'll explain in the call also today. Okay, once the 200 okay will receive, it will send the acknowledge request. See, if you are receiving any like file, any packages, yeah, anything, if you are going receive from the Coast Guard or anything, if you receiving you acknowledging something, na. So that is the same thing. If you are coordinated in the real world, that is the same thing. If you receive anything, you want to know the acknowledge, then you said yes, yes, I acknowledge that I am receiving, yeah, I am received that kind of a file or anything. So it is sending acknowledge. Once they acknowledge, after that RTP will stable between them, party A to party B. RTP will stable. Everyone knows what is RTP?
Real-time transport
It's
protocol
real-time
होता है.
protocol.
Super,
The
super.
actual voice, what we are talking, the multimedia packets.
And voice packets sent in the real-time transport protocol every approx 20 ms packet sent.
Correct, 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 correct. Uh, why? How does it work? That is the questions. if your call is stable between two party, if suppose I am asking one question, if RTP will lose, where, which point will get impact? I think your
Voice,
throughput will
voice
get
breaking,
impact. Hello, you guys are
voice,
hear me?
voice breaking,
Yes, voice breaking. I think you
and
guys
call not breaking.
call will not collect, right? I
Yes,
think your speed, DL, speed also will get impact, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, once the RTP will stable, then after sometimes any party can send the buy request. See, it is not going to continuously
What
call
is the
will
what is the exact work of media server in this part?
without media server. This we are not able to exchange anything. We are discussing later what is the RTP and FDP. I am not talking at a time FDP. I am only talking about the RTP. Later on, once I am going to the media partner, I will explain what is the FTP, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes. What is
And
FTP and RTCP? RTCP is what? RTCP is maintaining the quality only, right? There are RTP and RTCP. What is the major difference between them? So please take a patience. I'll explain everything what you have in mind. So okay,
okay, sir.
yeah, sounds good. Okay, once the RTP has stable, any party can send a buy. Buy request means what? Any party can terminate established session, right? So once that he received the buy, he send the suppose buy will comes from party B or party A. Any party can send the buy request, no an issue. It is not a big deal. So if the buy will come from party B, so party A send the 200 OK for that. 200 OK means it will made the successful for your request. 200 OK. Okay, in this call flow, there are a multiple scenario. What is the dialog? What is the C sequence? What is the transaction? What is the branch ID? Where the SDP codecs? What is the BO BUA? What is the proxy server? What is stateless proxy? What is the stateful proxy? There are multiple component will playing a role in a basic call flow. That is the like a pillar of a SIP network. If you learn properly what is the basic call flow, you will able to handle 80% of call. MediaTek, Harman, Geo, Erix, there are many more companies are using VoIP technology.
Yeah, Gaurav.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have multiple tools. We are going to share my screen. Okay. Also, some tools are for the candidate.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sharing my screen, then you can show the on Wireshark.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, sure.
So we have multiple tools for you guys. You can do the practice as well. So we are showing one tool where the invite request is going forward to the proxy. My screen is visible now?
Yes, sir. It is very clear.
Yeah. So this is invite request. What inside an invite request? What message carried it? Everything you will discuss. Also, you will create the live log. Okay. So you will learn more whatever is here. Then invite. After invite, 100 trying. You see the messages. Also, we have on lab, so that we are creating our own number. 7709935614. So you have opportunity to you can take the live log as well. 183 similar our number like this one 200 okay like this one. Yeah, Rajesh, you can continue.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, sir. Okay, let me complete first my slide, and after we'll go to the lab, right? Okay. Okay, there is the basic thing. What is SIP call flow? What we are doing here, and next one is the what is the VoIP call,
183.
right? VoIP is nothing but is a technology that allow to deliver your voice, media, videos, features, and everything. And there is a major advantage of VoIP call. It is low cost, portability, no extra cables, flexibility, video conferencing. It means what? If you are calling from a packet port from one country to another country, are you sending any file? They are taking more charge, right? If you are sending any file, video over the internet, yeah, over the VoIP technology, it is very low cost. We will get portability means it is a like a flexible, scalable, like ups and downs and everything. No extra cables. You know that if you want to connect to one places to another place, you didn't need to connect like wire and everything. It is a virtualization. It's very flexible. That is a VoIP technology. And what is the call flow? We will discuss in SIP technology. Consultant call hold, music on call hold, transfer unattended call, transfer attendant call forwarding busy, call forwarding no answer, three-way conferencing, third party joins, forking, call management. There are many more call flow in sequence, which we are going to discuss in our class in our lab. We are discussing with our logs with on our lab and how to troubleshoot this call and how to we are able to troubleshoot. Okay. After the SIP session has been done, then we are going to the IMS network. IMS is very interesting and very demandable protocol as of now and next 5 years, 5 or 10 years. It is stand for the IP multimedia subsystem. Here we can see this is the architecture of IMS network, how we are going to perform. I'm not explaining every node because if I'm going to explain every node, it will take 5 or 6 hours. So we can see here, this is the conceptual architecture of IMS network, right? We will also going to discuss deeply what is IMS, and that is the IMS call flow. See, what is the later on we will discuss what is the IMS architecture, what is the IMS registration, how to your call will get the registration from IMS network, and IMS to IMS call flow. You know, guys, multi to multi call flow. IMS to IMS is nothing but it is stand for the multi to multi call flow. What is the conference call? What is the SRVCC call? What is the PS to CS call? Matlab 3G to 4G, matlab 4G to 5G, sorry, IMS network. And what is the CS to PS call? And this is the applications. What is in application? We are going to discuss what is the PANI header, what is the like LIA, LIR, MNT queries, what is the LRN, what is the TAS, what is the DNS, what is DSCP, what is P asserted identity, what is asserted identity. There are many more components playing role in IMS network. That is the very important how we'll go to discuss in our classroom, in our lab. Also, apart from that, we are going to discuss what is the deployment process, SDN. Deployment, we are covering 3 protocols. First one is IMS network. Second one is session initiation protocol SIP. Third one is the deployment services. Deployments are how to deploy your application, how to deploy your server over the internet. using AWS, using there are multicom. What is the CFX 5000? What is CB, CPM? What is that? We are discussing deeply with log and troubleshoot. What is the offline charging? What is the online charging? What is the OpenStack? What is VMware? What is the hypervisor? What is the S-Sphere? We are going to discuss. And also we are going to discuss what is cloud and what is cloud computing. Because everyone know we are going to virtualizations. We are not we will stand next 5 years manually. We are going to next 5 years in futures. We are going to virtualization onward. So we will also discuss what is the cloud computing, what is the virtualizations. Apart from that, what tool we are going to use in our lab. What is Wireshark, Tippy, Putty, Zira, NetAct, practical with Linux, project discussion, and every month we have module mock interview. If you are completing SIP technology, SIP protocol, we will take your interview with our panel. There are RSR for a managing director, and we are also technical expert. There are one HR is there. They are monitoring your skills, your communications, and how to deliver your confidence with us, right? All the video recording we will take. Okay. And what is the packet core? If you are working in telecom now, you should know how to work on a packet core. What is the LTE? We are also discussing what is the packet core, what is the LTE, what is the long-term evolution, how to work, what is PSI gateway, what is the P gateway, how they are playing a role in our packet core network, what is PCR, what is the RX interface, what is GX interface, everything we will going to clear step by step with log and troubleshoot. Got it? And finally, that is the deployment process, which we are already discussed in previous slide. Yeah, finally, that is the our technology. And thanks. And before going to, we will discuss which tool we are going to use and describe. See, this is the Wireshark. See, which we are discussing. What is the invite? See, this is not only we are showing logical. We are also doing same thing in the practical call. This is not only theoretical part. Where is the invite? Where is the 100 trying? Where is 180 ringing? Where is 200? Is the only theoretical? No, absolutely not. We are doing this in practical, right? See, if you are sending any invite, see here we can see this is the invite, right? Here is the 100 trying. Here is the 200. Okay. If you are going to see, flow graph, here we can easily see where is the our invite. Here we can see that is the our invite, that is our equation. Everything should be there, right? What is the acknowledge? What is the application data? Which codec we are going to use? If you are going to see in invite now, here we can see what is the headers. In first line, our request, what is the URI? URI is nothing but it is stand for the physical address of a UE. Physical address means what? If you are using a handset now, you have a unique mobile number, a unique ID. That is the URI. See, what is the host? Host means who is initiated the call. This we are calling host. What is the message header? What is via? What is to, from? To, from means what? Suppose you are sending one request from source to destination. Who is sending request from source to destination? It is a from. Who is receiving the request? It is a to. Right? What is the call ID? What is the C sequence? What is the max forward? What is the user agent? User agent, let me explain who is user agent. What is the play of user agent? See, he is the part. Here is the party A. Here is the party B. User agent. There are two. There are two types. First one is user agent client. USC. USC. Second one is UAS. Suppose who is initiated the call. We know that this guy is like a client, host, anything. If you are initiated one call, I called you, you are a client. Suppose I am using my laptop, I am sending one request to the Google server. So I am the host, I am the client for the Google server. They are giving me result, they are giving me some response. They are a user agent server. So if I am sending one request to party B, here is our SIP network. The request is user agent client, USC. And once the request will receive, from USC. You understood now what I'm trying to say? What is the difference between USC and UAS?
Yes.
Super. Everyone knows now.
Yes.
Okay, super. So see, if we are going to deeply discussion, there are 6 headers like via, to, call, from ID, 6 seconds, max forward. So I'm not going to discuss everyone. If I'm going to discuss these things now, they will take more time. So we will discuss later on class. What is that? What is they are playing a role in single invite? And if you are getting a response, then which response comes from party B? Which codec they are sending? Is that voice codec? Is that video codec? Codec, you know, guys? Okay, no issue. We will discuss later. What is codec? So basically, we are focusing in Wireshark server. See, if you are thinking about there are coding, there are any code, there are any very critical, be able to understand, we will work on it or not, or something. If you have any confusion, there are explaining one thing. This is only tools. We are not using any like kind of command. We are using basic command. In corporate office, we are 10 or 12 commands we are using only, and you could easily understand. There are no any coding we are using because the Wireshark is a very like demandable open source tool for the packet network. In TCP, what is TCP, UDP, and everything, they will capturing a packages in microsecond. Within a microsecond, it will able to capture 1,000 packets. So that is very flexible and scalable tool. So you can easily understood what is Wireshark. And live we have also tool see how to initiate call. See what is this number before showing shown from Arav sir. We are created our own number. How this number will go to source to destination. what is headers they will take. So easily we understood, easily we are learn everything, right? So that is the small presentation from all of you. And later on, if you have any doubt, if you are any questions, please let me know with me and Aro sir as well. We will try to explain your doubt, and we are also able to answer you. Okay. Deepak, I am stopping my PPT. So please stop your recording session. Okay, fine. Any questions from your end? Or before going to you guys, Aro, is that anything we will going to explain?
No, not required. Guys, feel free to ask your query. I am here to serve you. We have multiple tools, multiple technology for you guys. And telecom, I personally know, and after a year of experience, you already know there is no more growth. Okay, if you have any skill, then you can survive in better way, or you can achieve your goal. I'm right or wrong? Because I in a telecom engineer is always say yes, I know everything. But when I go and dig and deck, you guys are not confident of any single technology. So this is the only way you can add one single skill so that you can survive in the market. Otherwise, no more scope, because fresher can get easily replaced to you, and freshers also will do better work as compared to you. I am right? In
Yeah.
current market, learning is the only things which we can do. Otherwise, no place, no increment. You are working in company, no improvement. 2-3% is not a big amount, because expenditure are also high. Okay, so whatever you want, you can ask. We are here to serve you. Ask your query. Sachin?
No, sir. Nothing.
Okay. Lipu?
No, sir.
Okay. Istaben?
Nothing, thanks.
Okay. So no question from your side, right? All is clear or everything is clear? Gaurav, you can share the screen and show the syllabus. Mine syllabus is not present. Okay.
Okay, fine. The 11 things for which we have shared before.
Yeah. Syllabus means I shared yesterday, and
Yeah.
also shared in group. You can share one.
Just,
And
just
yeah.
give me a second. Okay. This is our syllabus, guys. It is visual to you?
Yes.
Yeah, we are going to discuss in our classroom what is the packet core overview, what is SIP protocol fundamental, what is SIP signaling, what is Wi fundamental, what is the IMS architecture, what is IMS services, what is IM protocol, what is network knowledge, what is a telecom knowledge, what is troubleshooting, what is network analysis. We are going to also share what is the Linux. If you are going to learn Linux, any other places or any institution, they will take a big amount to you. But we are providing a advantage to you. See what is the Linux, and also we are take care of what is Kubernetes and what is the Docker. But basic thing, not we are going to deeply discussion, but basic thing we are discussing. I'm adding these two features in your syllabus. What is Kubernetes and Docker as well, and what is the IMS deployment, cloud native function, and virtual network function, right? CNF and VNF. As of now, CNF is very demandable. We are going to virtualization from VNF to CNF, right? And what is the CFX 5000? What is the SSS? And let me add one more thing, Arav. Are you there? Hello, Arav, are you there? Okay, he's on mute, I think so. Oh, we will also discuss OpenStack, right? See, there are many more companies using these things, these protocol, these tools. Nokia, Infosys, Ericsson, there are various companies are using. Apart from them, there are also many more companies. We are not expand everyone, but if you are going to Google and search it, what they are using. Fine. So these courses will cover next 3 months. Fine. Is that any doubt? Is that any doubt?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
So Deepak, I have done from my side. So okay, we will finish the call. And
Yeah, guys, detailed syllabus already shared in group. You can go through. Okay, and those who are interested, you can connect with our team, and hopefully we'll start the batch by next Sunday. Okay, and the course duration will be 4 months. Okay, those who are interested, you can connect with our team. Thanks for joining today demonstration.
Aro, we will also like include these two protocol, basic protocol, OpenStack, and what is the basic Kubernetes and Docker as well. This is a
Okay.
complementary for that guy, right?
Okay, we can add, no issue.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
Are these live classes or live session recorded classes will
Live session is there. You will get
Oh.
recorded session as well. In live
Okay.
session, you can ask your query.
Okay, for technical related, you will be providing recorded classes. And also
No.
there will be a live session also for
Live
clarifying
session is
doubts.
there. Yes. Live session is there. Also, live session recorded video you will get.
Okay, okay.
Whatever will
Thank you.
cover through the live only.
Okay, okay. Okay. Thank
Okay. Okay. Thanks to all.
Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.